Zeta stock analysis, Zeta stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be doing is showing you my exact play. And looking at Zeta Global Holdings, like from my previous idea, all I've seen is just a shift above my supply zone, which is actually very interesting. Now, I myself, having done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's actually printing me money and what is not, and especially now looking at Zeta. I mean, man, I'm gonna get rid of all that, you know, because my idea was definitely wrong, like, and that's totally fine because rules never got met. And unironically, since it's shifted, I'm very open-minded to taking things further up. But last thing that I would be doing is just randomly getting involved. So what I'll do here is I have my demand zone, and only if I see some sort of a double break here, only then I will look to take it further up. And if not, it's all pure noise, right? So that's where we're sitting at. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. I do have, I suppose, some previous receipts here. Okay, nothing, which is fine. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free email.